Mother Nature's CBD Gummies are fantastic CBD gummy that can help you overcome sadness, nervousness, stress, frustration, body aches, and a range of health issues. Choosing the right product at the right moment is crucial if you want quick and high-quality results. This all-natural solution has no single active ingredient or additives to enhance efficiency. That is why we're recommending Mother Nature's CBD Gummies as the best and most potent solution for regaining your wellness. Mother Nature is a 100% pure CBD that offers powerful natural relief from pain. According to Mother Nature CBD, the CBD edibles offer comfort without giving you a high. The Mother Nature CBD Gummies are THC-free and give its users 10 milligrams of CBD in each gummy. Mother Nature's CBD Gummies official website.